If you're seeing an itch.io login error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back into your account fast. Whether the page is not loading, your login keeps failing, or something on your browser is blocking the sign-in process, these simple checks usually solve the problem in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes and walkthroughs. Let's jump right in. Start by refreshing the login page. Sometimes the issue is just a temporary glitch, and a simple refresh is enough to reload the sign-in form correctly. After refreshing, carefully check your username and password. Make sure there are no typos, no extra spaces, and that caps lock is not turned on by mistake. If you copy and paste your password, double-check that nothing was added before or after it. If the login still fails, clear your browser cache and cookies. Old or corrupted browser data can cause sign-in pages to behave strangely or prevent the session from loading properly. Go into your browser settings, clear the cache and cookies for itch.io, then close and reopen the browser before trying again. Next, disable browser extensions. Ad blockers, script blockers, privacy tools, and password managers can sometimes interfere with login forms or security checks. Turn them off temporarily, refresh the page, and try signing in again to see if one of them was the cause. Another thing to try is turning off your VPN. Some websites may block or limit logins from certain VPN connections, especially if the IP address looks unusual or changes too often. If you're using a VPN, disconnect it and attempt the login again. If that does not help, try a different browser. For example, if you're using Chrome, switch to Firefox or Edge, or try the opposite. A browser-specific issue, extension conflict, or outdated setting may be causing the error, and testing another browser is a quick way to confirm that. Also make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak or unstable connection can stop the page from loading completely or interrupt the login request before it finishes. If possible, refresh your connection, switch networks, or test another Wi-Fi connection and then try again. Once you've gone through these steps, in most cases the itch.io login error should be resolved. The key is to move through them one by one so you can identify whether the problem is your browser, your connection, or a temporary site issue. If one fix doesn't work, keep going. The next one often does the trick. If this video helped you fix the issue, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.